Top 5 best cooking oils every senior should use. There's a seemingly small habit in your kitchen that quietly impacts your heart, memory, and even joint and bone health after the age of 60. The cooking oil you use every day. You might be preparing simple meals like boiled eggs, steamed vegetables, or light stir-fries. But if the oil you're using doesn't suit your aging body, those meals might be silently putting strain on your liver, raising your bad cholesterol, or accelerating inflammation without you even realizing it. I once met an elderly gentleman during a consultation. He told me, "I don't eat much, just light, simple meals. But my blood pressure is still high, and my joints still hurt." We reviewed his daily meals and discovered that for the past 10 years, he had only used one type of cooking oil, a common, easy-to-buy brand on the market that had quietly turned his healthy meals into a hidden health risk. And the truth is, many older adults are unknowingly making the same mistake every day. In today's video, we'll go through the 5 best oils for people over 60. These oils are not only safe for cooking, but also support the heart, brain, joints, and digestion, helping your whole body function more efficiently. We won't just follow what the ads say. We're going to break down each oil, why it's beneficial, and how to use it correctly, in a simple, practical way that fits right into your kitchen routine. And to begin, let's start with the oil known as the golden drop of the Mediterranean, the one that has nourished heart health for millions of people for centuries. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. If there's one type of oil that every person over 60 should have in their kitchen, it's extra virgin olive oil. Not just because it sounds healthy, but because hundreds of studies have confirmed that olive oil truly acts as a shield for the heart and brain as we age. I remember speaking with Linda, a 67-year-old woman from Florida. She had high blood pressure and cholesterol, even though her meals weren't particularly greasy. After switching her daily cooking oil to extra virgin olive oil and consistently using 2 tablespoons per day, her test results after just 3 months showed a significant drop in LDL cholesterol. She was sleeping better, and what made her happiest, her skin looked noticeably brighter. So why is extra virgin olive oil especially good for older adults? The answer lies in its incredible composition. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL, supporting a healthier heart over time. On top of that, extra virgin olive oil is packed with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that protect brain cells, reduce inflammation in blood vessels, enhance memory, uplift mood, and lower the risk of stroke, a common concern for people over 60. To use olive oil the right way and gain the full benefits, it's best to cook with it at low to medium heat, such as in light sautéing or pan searing, to preserve its stability and nutrients. But the most effective way to absorb its benefits is to use it raw. Drizzle it over salads, steamed vegetables, mix into whole grains, or simply dip whole grain bread in it. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, about 15 to 30 milliliters, is enough to enjoy the health perks without overdoing the calories. A few tips when shopping for olive oil. Look for cold-pressed options in dark glass bottles, and check that the label includes a clear harvest date or expiration date. Avoid products labeled light or pure olive oil, as these are refined versions that have lost many of the natural benefits found in true extra virgin olive oil. Now I'd love to ask you, do you currently use olive oil in your kitchen? What dishes do you use it in? Share in the comments, because sometimes a small suggestion can lead to a big health change for someone else. Extra virgin olive oil is perfect for light cooking and fresh dishes. But if you often cook at high heat, like frying or roasting, there's another oil that might suit you better. It handles heat beautifully, keeps you feeling full longer, and helps regulate blood sugar. Let's explore it next. 2. Avocado oil. Do you often sauté vegetables or grill meats in the evening? If so, avocado oil might be a small but powerful gift you've overlooked. Unlike many oils that easily oxidize during cooking, avocado oil has a very high smoke point, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use it for frying, roasting, or sautéing, without worrying about creating inflammatory compounds or damaging your blood vessels, which is especially important for older adults. In addition to its heat stability, avocado oil contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, just like olive oil. These fats help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, raise good cholesterol, HDL, reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, and help your heart function more steadily. But that's not all. Avocado oil is also rich in lutein, an antioxidant that supports eye health, particularly valuable as we age and begin to experience vision issues. When cooking at high temperatures, you can confidently use avocado oil for frying, roasting, or searing. This oil holds up well under heat and doesn't break down like many refined oils. You can even completely replace canola or refined vegetable oils in your everyday recipes with avocado oil. It's just as tasty, but far better for your heart. And the best part? You only need 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, about 15 to 30 milliliters, to give your body the healthy fats it needs, without overloading on calories. To choose a good quality avocado oil, go for cold-pressed, unrefined versions in dark glass bottles. These help preserve the oil's nutrients and prevent oxidation over time. When shopping, look at the color. Avocado oil ranges from light green to deep green. The greener it is, the more chlorophyll and natural antioxidants it contains. Both great for your heart and skin. After opening, aim to use it within 3 months and keep it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. And while avocado oil is an excellent choice for hot cooking, the next oil isn't meant for heat, but it can help sharpen your memory, lift your mood, and bring a calm clarity to your day. 3. Walnut oil. If you're looking to protect your memory, stay mentally sharp, and feel more emotionally balanced each day, then walnut oil is the companion you don't want to overlook. Unlike many common cooking oils, walnut oil is one of the few natural plant-based oils that's rich in omega-3s, especially ALA, a precursor to EPA and DHA, which are essential for brain protection, memory support, and slowing age-related cognitive decline. But it's not just good for the brain. Walnut oil also contains polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the circulatory system, improve heart health, and promote emotional stability, especially important for adults over 60 who may struggle with mild anxiety or sleep disturbances. Walnut oil is loaded with omega-3s and antioxidants, but it's also very sensitive to heat. So to preserve its valuable nutrients, you need to use it the right way. Do not use it for frying, sautéing, or cooking at high temperatures, as heat breaks down the oil's structure and destroys its health benefits. The best way to enjoy walnut oil is cold or at room temperature. Drizzle it over salads, steamed vegetables, soups, or broths after cooking. It also works wonderfully in oatmeal, hot cereals, or smoothies, added after preparation. A daily dose of just 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, about 5 to 15 milliliters, is enough to support brain function, reduce inflammation, and nourish your mind, without adding excessive fat or calories. When choosing walnut oil for your health, keep these tips in mind. Prioritize cold-pressed, unrefined walnut oil. This retains the beneficial fatty acids and natural antioxidants, especially omega-3s. Look for oil packaged in dark glass bottles. This protects it from light and helps it stay fresh and potent longer. Walnut oil should have a light golden brown color and a gentle nutty aroma. If it smells sour, sharp, or has changed color, it may have gone bad due to improper storage. Once opened, store walnut oil in the refrigerator and use within 2 to 3 months to maintain its taste and nutritional value. Just remember, choosing the right oil doesn't just sharpen your brain, it also makes every meal a little more thoughtful and nourishing. What about you? Do you pay attention to brain health and mental clarity after 60? Have you tried walnut oil before? Or is there a favorite dish you think would go well with it? Share in the comments. Your recipe might just inspire someone else to start caring for their brain, one meal at a time. And if walnut oil is like fuel for your brain, then the next oil is the gentle friend of your digestive system. Rich and flavorful, yet incredibly soothing, especially for those who are lactose intolerant or have sensitive digestion. 4. Ghee. If you love the rich, buttery taste of traditional butter, but worry about bloating or indigestion, ghee might be the perfect gift you haven't yet discovered. It delivers all the flavor you love, while being gentle on your digestive system, especially after age 60. Ghee is a purified form of butter that has had the milk solids and impurities removed. It's nearly free of lactose and casein, making it much easier for older adults to digest, even for those who are lactose intolerant. Even better, ghee contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that helps nourish the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support smooth digestive function. And that's not all. Ghee is also rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K2, nutrients that are vital for strong bones, immune health, and brain function, yet are often lacking in the diets of older adults. Ghee isn't just healthy, it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Thanks to its high smoke point, approximately 480 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for sautéing, light frying, or roasting, without breaking down into harmful compounds like many other oils do. You can also use ghee as a wholesome alternative to butter or regular cooking oil. Just add a small spoonful to hot rice, steamed vegetables, or a bowl of porridge, and suddenly the meal becomes more fragrant, easier to digest, and gentler on the stomach. For daily use, 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 5 to 10 milliliters, is the perfect amount to give your body the healthy fats it needs, without worrying about excess calories. Just a small amount can make a big difference in your digestion and overall wellness. To choose the best ghee for your health, look for organic options, especially those made from grass-fed cow's milk, as they contain significantly higher levels of vitamins and beneficial fatty acids compared to conventional types. Choose ghee that's stored in glass jars. A high-quality ghee should have a light, pleasant aroma and a golden, buttery color that glows like morning sunlight. Ghee doesn't need refrigeration, but it should be stored in a cool, dry place. Once opened, it's best to use it within 3 to 4 months to maintain freshness and nutritional value. Ghee is the perfect choice for those who love rich flavor but don't want to sacrifice digestive comfort. But if you're looking for an oil that's silky like butter, heart-friendly, anti-inflammatory, and highly heat-stable, the next oil might surprise you. Let's explore this fresh, promising friend in your kitchen next. 5. Macadamia oil. If you're looking for a light, smooth oil that delivers exceptional benefits for the heart, skin, and brain, macadamia oil might just be the hidden gem you haven't considered. Macadamia oil is a plant-based oil extremely rich in monounsaturated fats, much like olive oil, but with a more stable ratio of oleic and palmitoleic acids. This makes it especially beneficial for heart health, skin hydration, and blood sugar regulation. What makes it even more unique is its very low omega-6 content, which means it doesn't promote inflammation over time, a major advantage for older adults who need to keep inflammation in check. Additionally, the palmitoleic acid in macadamia oil helps support skin tissue repair, reduce dryness, and balance hormones, benefits rarely found in regular cooking oils. Not only is macadamia oil good for your health, but it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. With a smoke point around 410 degrees Fahrenheit, you can confidently use it for sautéing, roasting, or light frying without worrying about toxic compounds forming, something many standard oils can't promise. Its mild, slightly buttery flavor doesn't overpower your food, making it easy to pair with both Asian and Western dishes. You can drizzle it over salads as a flavorful base oil, lightly pan-sear vegetables, fish, or meats, or use it as a healthier substitute for vegetable oil in baking, soft cakes, muffins, or heart-friendly snacks. As for daily use, just 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, per day is enough to give your body the healthy fats it needs, without adding excess calories or unhealthy fat. To get the most benefit from this precious nut oil, quality matters most. When buying macadamia oil, keep these tips in mind. Look for cold-pressed, unrefined oil stored in dark glass bottles. This protects the oil from light and oxidation, preserving its nutrients. High-quality macadamia oil will have a light yellow to pale amber color, with a gentle, clean aroma, not burnt or bitter. That's a sign of freshness and proper processing. Once opened, store the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. For best results, use it within 3 to 4 months to maintain its flavor and nutritional value. Have you ever tried macadamia oil? If not, would you be open to replacing one of your regular oils with macadamia oil? just to see the difference it can make? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else to make a healthier choice today. You see, just one small change in your kitchen, like switching out your usual cooking oil, can make a big difference in your heart health, brain function, digestion, and even your overall mood. Olive oil helps your heart beat steadily and keeps your memory sharp. Avocado oil, heat stable and gentle on your arteries. Walnut oil nourishes the brain and supports mental clarity. Ghee, soothing for the stomach, rich in flavor, yet easy to digest. Macadamia oil, refined, stable, and a trustworthy companion in every meal. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start with one simple choice. Replace your old bottle of oil with a healthier one, and you're already one step closer to a stronger body, a steadier heart, and a lighter life after 60. So among these 5 oils, which one are you currently using? Which one would you like to try in your next meal? Feel free to share in the comments, because your choice might just inspire someone else to start their own journey to better health, right from the heart of their kitchen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. So together, we can live longer, live healthier, and live happier. One meal at a time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.